Hello everyone. In this wireframing tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to design a Sketchy-style mobile banking app using MockFlow. We'll be working with MockFlow Sketchy Mobile UI Kit, which comes packed with ready-to-use, drag-and-drop components, perfect for quickly building essential features of a mobile banking application. We'll start by adding a mobile frame, which acts as the base layout or container for all the screens in our app. This gives us a structured canvas to work on as we design each section of the banking interface. Every mobile app includes a status bar, and ours will too. It shows key system indicators like signal strength, battery percentage, and time. You can simply drag and drop the pre-built status bar component from the UI kit onto your frame. When a user opens the app, they'll land on the home screen. Let's begin this screen by adding a profile picture from the avatar section. Followed by the user's name and a welcome message like, "Hello, Edward James," making the experience more personal. Next, to allow users to stay updated, we'll add a notification icon from the icon library. This will typically be placed at the top right corner to alert users about new messages or updates. Now let's display the user's wallet balance. This section shows the available bank balance. We'll name this section Wallet Balance and position it prominently so users can check it at a glance. For better usability, we'll add quick action buttons, add money, send money, receive money, and a scan QR code option. These provide users with instant access to common banking actions right from the home screen. Let's now build the transaction history section. Start by placing a rectangular component as a background container, label it as Transactions, and add a View All text on the right side. Below this, begin adding individual transaction entries using icons and text. To ensure smooth navigation throughout the app, let's use the bottom navigation bar. Drag and drop the ready-made bottom navigation component. And include icons or labels for Home, Activity, Wallet, and Profile, giving users quick access to different sections. Now let's build the transaction list. For each transaction entry, include a small profile image or icon, the name of the recipient or payee, the date and time, and the amount sent or received. This will help users easily identify past transactions. To show a realistic transaction history, simply duplicate the first transaction entry multiple times and change the details, name, time, amount, to reflect different transactions. Let's now design the Send Money screen. Here we will name it as Send to Friend. Begin by creating a search field using a rectangular box. Add a search icon inside it. and label it with helpful placeholder text like phone number or bank account to guide the user. Below the search, we'll add a Recently Sent section showcasing recently contacted users. Reuse the earlier profile avatar component and duplicate it to show multiple users, each with a name tag for easy selection. Like the home screen, we'll also add a recent transactions section here. For each entry, show the recipient's details and add a More Options icon, like 3 dots, next to each, allowing for further actions like viewing details or repeating the transaction. To improve navigation, especially for going back to the previous screen, drag and drop a back arrow icon in the top left corner of the screen. This makes it intuitive for users to return to where they came from. After selecting a recipient, users move to the amount entry screen. Here, we'll add a numeric keypad component, so users can enter the amount they wish to send. Let's enhance this screen by showcasing an avatar list of recent contacts. This helps in choosing recipients quickly. Also, include a drop-down component for selecting the account or card from which the money will be debited. Clearly label this drop-down as Select Bank Account so users know they need to choose their preferred payment source before continuing. Next, add a ready-to-use input field where users can manually type the transaction amount. With the input text holder, enter the amount. Below that, place a prominent button labeled Submit to confirm and proceed with the transaction. Once all these elements are in place, you'll see how effortlessly we've built a complete mobile banking app wireframe, all using MockFlow's intuitive Sketchy UI kit and drag-and-drop features. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wireframing walkthroughs and design tips with MockFlow.